So hello guys and welcome here to a new video. So today we are going to talk about a new interesting project called ETHGAS. If you check their recently pinned post, you will see their chapter 2 has gone live. In this you will be able to earn beans points, and based on your past activities you will also receive some beans points. But what is the use case of these beans points and how can you earn more beans points? I'm going to share the complete details about all of this in today's video. Before joining, if you still have not yet joined our Telegram channel, then you're missing lots of updates related to crypto and airdrops. I'll provide the link in the description, so check it out. To join the project, I'll provide a Telegram link in the description where you'll find this page link. After landing here, first you need to connect your X account, so click here, link X account. Then authorize the app. And done. Once linked, you have to enter a referral code. Tap on continue. After that, it will show you are onboarded. Click on go to dashboard and then agree to the terms and confirm to proceed. Initially, you'll get 10 beans points when you enter the code. Now scroll down and here you will find lots of tasks which you need to complete one by one. Before that, the first thing you have to do is link a primary wallet. So click here, link primary wallet, then again click link primary wallet, then choose your wallet where you have spent gas fees on Ethereum. So I'd select MetaMask, then connect and confirm it. After doing that, you will get some beans points in return, which will be shown on your dashboard based on your past activity. Next, to complete the first task, you need to follow them. So click the task, then click on follow them. Then follow their profile and then go back. After that, click on verify request. You will see that your beans points have increased. The next task is to generate your gas report. Click on it. Then click again on generate gas report. Since your wallet is already connected, don't connect any more wallets. Just click and wait. You will see it generate a report. Now you can claim bonus beans. This bonus is different for everyone. It depends on how much gas fee you have spent in the past. Click on claim now. Then click claim again. So as you can see, my wallet got only 2 beans. After this, copy your gas ID, then click on share. An automated post will appear. Paste the copied photo and tap on post. Once posted, tap on view and copy the post link. After copying, click on verify request. Then here you need to log in using your same wallet. Then click on verify post. And here enter the link which you copied earlier. And click on verify and done. So as you can see, I've got 100 beans for completing this task. Close this page and go back to the task page. Next, click here to follow their founder. So click on follow. Then follow the account. Then go back and click on verify. And done. Next, join their Discord server. So click on join. Then accept the invite. Then click on complete, then agree to the terms and then submit. To verify, click on unlock server here, then start quiz and give the correct answer and you are verified now. Again, go back to the page and click on join Discord server. Accept the invite and done. Next, join their Telegram group by clicking here. Then click on join. Then click on start verification. Then click on start. Here paste the same wallet address. And you are done. Next, you can subscribe to their newsletter. So enter your email here. Then submit. And then close. Also here you can share your referral link by clicking here, then click on share, then an automatic post appears. Post it on X, then copy the link and again click verify, enter the link and click on verify and done. Now the main topic, what is the use case of these beans points, what are the benefits? In the future, depending on your beans points and leaderboard rank, they might reward you maybe with tokens or some other prizes. If they launch their own token, it's possible they might distribute that as well. So basically that's the reason why you should complete all the tasks now. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions, then feel free to ask in the comment section. And if you are new to this channel, then please like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.